Maintaining the right humidity levels in a grow room is essential for ensuring healthy plant growth and maximizing yields. A good humidifier can help regulate moisture levels, prevent diseases, and create an optimal environment for your plants. Here, we will explore the top 5 best humidifiers for grow rooms available on AliExpress, offering detailed insights into their features, benefits, and overall performance. Number 1. Xiaomi Smart Air Humidifier. The Xiaomi Smart Air Humidifier is an innovative device designed to maintain optimal humidity levels in indoor spaces, including grow rooms. It features a sleek design and integrates smart technology, allowing users to control it remotely via a smartphone app. With its advanced ultrasonic technology, this humidifier can produce fine mist quickly and efficiently, making it perfect for maintaining the delicate balance of moisture that plants need. This humidifier is equipped with a large water tank that can hold up to 4.5 liters, providing continuous operation for extended periods. It operates quietly, making it ideal for indoor use where noise could be a concern. Moreover, the built-in humidity sensor ensures that the device adjusts its output based on the current humidity levels, maintaining the perfect environment for your plants. Key features: Smart Control connects to the Mi Home app for remote operation. Ultrasonic technology produces a fine mist to maintain optimal humidity levels. Large water tank for 0.5 liter capacity for extended use. Quiet operation, minimal noise, suitable for indoor environments. Humidity sensor automatically adjusts mist output based on room conditions. Number 2. Datonics Cool Mist Humidifier. The Datonics Cool Mist Humidifier is a versatile option that provides a constant stream of cool mist, making it ideal for grow rooms where high humidity is crucial. Its modern design and user-friendly interface allow for easy adjustments to mist output and humidity levels. With a sizable 4-liter tank, this humidifier can run continuously for up to 30 hours on a low setting, ensuring that your plants receive the moisture they need without constant refilling. The device is also equipped with a 360-degree nozzle, allowing you to direct the mist wherever it's needed most. An essential feature of the Datonics humidifier is its built-in filter that helps to purify the water before it's vaporized, ensuring your plants receive clean moisture. Additionally, the unit features an LED indicator that changes color based on the water level, providing a visual reminder for when it needs a refill. Key features: continuous operation, up to 30 hours of runtime on a low setting. 360-degree nozzle allows for customizable mist direction. Built-in filter purifies water for cleaner mist. User-friendly interface, simple controls for adjusting settings. LED indicator shows water level status with color changes. Number 3. Levoit LV600H Hybrid Ultrasonic Humidifier. The Levoit LV600H Hybrid Ultrasonic Humidifier is designed for larger grow rooms, offering robust performance with both warm and cool mist options. This dual functionality makes it suitable for various stages of plant growth, from seedling to flowering. With a generous 6-liter tank, the LV600H can run for up to 36 hours, providing ample moisture without frequent refills. One of the standout features of this humidifier is its high humidity output, which can reach up to 500 milliliters per hour. The device also includes a built-in humidity sensor that automatically adjusts the mist output to maintain the desired humidity level. Additionally, the Levoit LV600H has a remote control feature, allowing you to adjust settings from a distance, ideal for those with multiple grow areas. Key features: dual mist options, provides both warm and cool mist for versatility. High output, up to 500 milliliters per hour for effective humidity control. Large capacity, 6-liter tank for long-lasting operation. Built-in sensor automatically adjusts mist levels based on humidity. Remote control, convenient adjustments from afar. Number for Pure Enrichment Mist Air Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier. The Pure Enrichment Mist Air Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier is an excellent choice for smaller grow rooms or indoor gardening setups. With its compact design and a 1.5-liter tank, this humidifier is perfect for those looking to control humidity levels without taking up too much space. The ultrasonic technology ensures quiet operation, which is beneficial for plants that require a serene environment. This humidifier is simple to use, featuring a one-button control that allows you to easily turn it on or off and adjust the mist output. Despite its smaller size, the mist air can run for up to 16 hours on a low setting, providing your plants with the moisture they need throughout the day. Its sleek design also makes it an attractive addition to any indoor space. Key features: compact size, ideal for smaller grow rooms or limited spaces. Quiet operation, operates silently, minimizing disturbances. User-friendly controls, one-button operation for easy use. Long run time, up to 16 hours on a low setting. Sleek design, aesthetic appeal suitable for indoor environments. Number 5 VIVOX Warm Mist Humidifier. The VIVOX Warm Mist Humidifier is a reliable choice for those looking to provide warmth and moisture to their grow room. This device is particularly useful during colder months, as it helps maintain humidity levels while also slightly raising the temperature in the vicinity. With a 1-gallon water tank, the VIVOX humidifier can operate for up to 12 hours on a single fill, making it efficient for overnight use. The unit features a built-in medicine cup that allows you to add essential oils or medicated inhalants, which can be beneficial for certain plant species. The warm mist is soothing and helps prevent the growth of mold, making it ideal for sensitive plants. Its easy-to-clean design ensures that you can maintain optimal performance without hassle. Key features: warm mist technology, adds warmth and moisture, ideal for colder conditions. 1-gallon tank, operates for up to 12 hours on a single fill. Built-in medicine cup, allows for the use of essential oils. Easy to clean, designed for straightforward maintenance. Soothe plants, warm mist helps prevent mold growth. Conclusion: choosing the right humidifier for your grow room is critical for creating an ideal environment for your plants. Each of the options mentioned above, from the high-tech Xiaomi Smart Air Humidifier to the compact Pure Enrichment Mist Air, offers unique features that cater to different needs and grow room sizes. By investing in a quality humidifier, you can ensure that your plants thrive and yield optimal results.